Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to create a website in Webflow 2026. So you will need us first to go to the webflow.com and then just click on get started option, okay, and sign up with your email or Google and choose a starter free. That's good for learning, so you can use the paid plan too as well if you want a custom domain, okay. So after creating an account or sign in with your account, you will need to click new site here, okay. So once you click it, you will need to choose one of these AI site builder, template, blank site. So for example, we'll go with template, okay, and that's very good for the beginners. So for the ones who don't know, Webflow works visually but builds real HTML and CSS, okay? And the main panels are the left panel here and the right panel, okay? Also the top bar. You can think of it like sections, containers, and elements inside, okay? So by using the three of them, you can add structure, style it, and create additional pages, right? And also you can make it mobile friendly, and that's important. Also you can add interactions. That's optional, of course, but powerful, and set up SEO. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.